Welcome to the Home Cool Gadgets channel, where you can find the lastest gadgets that came in the market.
You don't need one of the best fight sticks to play, or be good at, fighting games like Street Fighter or Tekken. But what they can do is help connect you to the type of controls these games originally used in the arcades, giving you a purpose-built way to duke it out in person or online. The arcade-style big buttons and joystick combo gives you only the inputs you need to fight, and sometimes special features and customization options too. Just be prepared to put some work in to learn how to use these controllers, as they're quite different from regular controllers. To save your time and money, we've completed our research and review 5 different models of arcade stick on the market. You can see the product link in the description of the video below.
Number 1. Number 2. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5.